All right, guys, this is going to be a quick video that talks about the Dr. Chu videos. I'm just making this to show you or talk about what I expect out of these. So make sure that you're following the directions is the most important part. So this is a minimum two paragraph response. Paragraph 1 should summarize the important points in the video. And then in the second part, you're going to explain which of the things that do help learning strategies you'll specifically use and how you'll use it. So again, 2 paragraphs. One thing I'll say about doing summaries, like the first paragraph is the summary, is that you want to always formally introduce what you're reading and watching as if I've never watched it. It looks something like this. So notice how I formally introduce it in Dr. Chu's second video. He explains, and again, tell us the main idea here. I'm not going to give that away. That's your job. But when you talk about the key points in the video, you also want to do things like Chu says, blah, 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 blah. And if you get tired of saying Chu says, then said, he says, blah, 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 blah. So it's a combination of formally introducing what you're reading or watching and then formally acknowledging the points that the author makes. So I know I've said this to a couple of you when doing summaries, so this shouldn't be new. But so again, the first paragraph is a summary, and what we're looking for is your ability to summarize what you read. Pretend I've never watched the video. And of course, in your second part, that's the part where you're talking about how you're going to specifically apply that information. And I think that's pretty simple for the most part. So that's Dr. Chu, the second video due this week.